Welcome back. In this section we'll be talking about batteries, in particular UA batteries, the proper care that they need. Sometimes they're called LiPo batteries. LiPo batteries are highly flammable, which are capable of ignition and thermal runaway. We'll talk more about that in a moment. Do a Google search on the topic. It'll blow your mind. Lithium batteries or LiPo batteries, either way, these can be a fire hazard. Fires can be caused when there are short circuits, or when they're improperly charged, or when they're heated to extreme temperatures. Fires that are caused by LiPo batteries are usually the result of a crash. Those are the ones that we usually hear about. They can be caused when they're mishandled, or when they're defective. To ensure safe battery handling and usage, consider following the manufacturer's recommendations. This is a theme that we hear throughout this entire curriculum. Alright, so what's thermal runaway? This is pretty basic. It's an increase in temperature which further increases the adjacent cell temperature. In this case, it can cause other lithium cells to do the same, causing a chain reaction and then a fire. Alright, so you have a lithium battery fire. So what do? If you have some halon gas nearby, you could use that, but typically halon gas is used for confined environments. A water extinguisher will work just fine. The second phase of managing a lithium battery fire involves cooling the remaining cells to prevent thermal runaway. This is accomplished by dousing the device with more water or dousing the device with other appropriate non-flammable, non-alcohol-based liquids. Yeah, that's a test question. Okay, halon gas 1301. This is usually used for information technology server rooms. This is an ineffective approach in controlling lithium battery fires. It will not work. However, there are two classes of fire suppression agents which have emerged as suitable replacements: halocarbon-based agents and inert gas agents. Naturally, proper care for LiPo batteries is a must. Follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding proper transportation and disposal. Make sure you have specially designed cargo containers that are properly identified. And as a last note, damaged or retired lithium batteries should not be disposed in routine household or office trash. The FAA takes this topic seriously. As a remote pilot in command, you need to make sure your entire crew understands that LiPo batteries are capable of ignition, even during in-flight operations. This can create a loss of control situation. LiPo batteries can ignite due to a UA crash. So in the end, follow the manufacturer's recommendations to help ensure safe battery handling, safe charging, and usage. This happened about 35 miles from my house. A UA caught fire while landing, burning 335 acres.